Moving to the next topic, that is logical expression, logic gate expression. That means how do you write the expression for this logic circuit. Okay, whenever you will be provided with the logic circuit, just name the output. First name the output for each and every gate, then it will be easy for you to write the expression. Okay, then how do you write it? This is how you can write it. First you have to write the expression for the D is equal to A or B. After write the expression for the E is equal to naught of C. Okay, after that we have to evaluate Y is equal to D and E. Actually D and E are not the original inputs. Original inputs are A, B, C only. These are the names given by us, user. Okay, you have to elaborate this variable names, output names for the actual input. What is the D actually? D is A or B. Okay, do you have any more evaluated expression for the A? No, it is a basic input. We have to just leave like that. And what is the E value? E value is not C. Okay, and this is another expression. How do you write it? Basically we are having only three inputs. They are P, Q or S, and these are all the names given by the user. Okay, by me. Okay, for every gate I have provided one name. Every gate output I named it with another variable. Okay, and first let me evaluate what is A. A is equal to P NAND Q. A is equal to P NAND Q. After that B. What is B? It is a naught of Q. After that evaluate C. C is equal to A XOR B. Then what is the A? Then after that evaluate Z. Okay, Z is equal to C and R. Okay, and what is the elaborative expression for the C? C is A XOR B. C is A XOR B. After that and OR. Is there any evaluated expression for the OR? No. OR is the basic input. Then you have to write the same thing. Okay. After that, is there any elaborative expression for the A? Yes. A is equal to P NAND Q. After that XOR. Okay. And what is B? B is not Q. Okay. After that and OR. Okay. And this is one more expression you can solve. One more expression out of the logic gates. Okay, this is a home task. And how do you draw a logic gate circuit for a logical expression? Okay, how do you write it? First you have to start with the sub expression. That means whatever there inside the braces, like child brace. Okay, you have to start with the child brace. Okay, first you have to start with the child brace, that is this one. First write, first of all you have to first label all the input values. Okay, from this whole expression what are the different inputs? R, S and T. Write all the inputs. Okay, after that go with the sub expression R, S. Okay, write the AND gate for that R and S. Okay, and after that go with the another child expression, that is R and T. Take OR and take the input from the T and draw the AND gate. At last for both of them you have to do the OR operation. From both the AND gates take the line and draw the OR gate for both the results of child expressions. Then that will be Z. Okay, and after that this is one more expression. You can see what is a child expression here. Okay, here the child expression is this, because this is the expression inside another expression. Then that will be the at most like younger child. Okay, first we have to solve this one. Before going into that, how many inputs are available, you have to label all those inputs. Okay, after that from those inputs you have to take the connection. First we have to resolve this one, A and B. Take the input from the A and input from the B and make that AND gate. Okay, pass them to the AND gate. After that expression, we have to go to the another, like another brace. Okay, that is not C. Okay, not C. How do you write the not C? Take the C input and make it not. Okay, then this is ready and this is ready. For both of them you have to perform OR operation. Okay, take both the outputs and pass them to the OR gate. Okay, now till this expression we are done. After that, what is a sub expression? This is a sub expression. Take the input value from the B and input value from the C, okay, and pass them to the NOR gate. Okay, this whole expression is ready here and this whole expression is ready here. Okay, now you have to pass the outputs of both the expression to the XOR gate. Okay, output of this whole expression, output of this NOR gate expression, I am passing them to the XOR gate. Then you will get the final output. Okay, these are all the different things and you can try. Then how do you convert a truth table to the logical expression? First of all, you have to remember the truth tables of every logic gate. That is first thing. Okay, by this how do you tell that, okay, here if both the inputs are true, then only the output became true. Okay, then whose logic is this? Okay, AND gate logic. Okay, that's how you can write it. X is equal to output is equal to A and B. And is it like, okay, reverse to the OR gate? Is it like reverse to the OR gate? What is the reverse to OR gate? That is NOR gate. Okay, X is equal to A NOR B. Okay, that means all the truth tables and the logics of the logic gate should be on your tips. Okay, and coming to this one here, is there any truth table like this for any of the logic gates? No, we don't have this truth table for any of the logic gates. Then how do you solve it? Okay, then obviously you just need to think it is the combination of logic gates. Okay, how do you resolve the expression for this truth table? First you have to highlight the rows which are having 1 as the output. Okay, then how do you write it? How do you write the expression? You have to perform AND operation for both the inputs. Okay, and in that case, if that input is having 0, you have to NOT that input value. If input is having 1, then you don't need to NOT that input value. How do you write the expression? This is how you can write the expression. X is equal to NOT of A. Wherever 0 is there in that row, make that NOT of A and perform the AND operation. And B is 1, no need of NOT gate. This is how you can write the expression for the truth table. Okay, and this is how the logic gate looks like, logic circuit looks like. Okay, here in this truth table we are having 2 rows with the output as 1. Okay, first write the expression for this row. How do you write it? X is equal to NOT A and B. Okay, X is equal to NOT A and B. Okay, after that one more expression is there. X is equal to A and B. Okay, here for this truth table we got 2 expressions. Then how do you join them? Okay, you have to join them with the OR gate. Okay, how many number of sub expressions you get, you have to just combine them with the help of the OR gate. For each and every row you have to perform the AND operation, and all the expressions, all the sub expressions should be connected with OR gate. This is the whole expression for this truth table, and this is the logic circuit for the truth table. Okay, and here you can see we are having 3 rows of 3 rows of ones. Okay, first solve the expression for this one, NOT A and NOT B and NOT C. Okay, this will be the first expression. After that, here also we are having output as 1, A and NOT B and C. Okay, this will be the another expression. And for this Here every input is 1, A and B and C. And then how do you write the final expression? Just provide the OR gate, okay, just pass all this expression through this OR gate, okay, combine all the expressions with the help of the OR gate. This will be your final expression, okay. And this is a home task, representing problem statements, okay. Then how do you write the expressions out of statements, out of sentences? How do you write it? Okay, here you can see a factory manufactures soap and has a system that monitors the manufacturing process. The system has 3 conditions, okay. That means 3 inputs are there, A, T, P. A represents temperature, A represent acidity, T represent temperature, and P represents pressure, okay. And we are having some conditions. Based on the conditions, we are having the binary value as well, okay. We are having the binary value. These are the inputs, okay. And here we are having the statement, that is the system will sound an alarm, okay, sound an alarm, x is equal to 1, okay, when certain conditions are detected, okay. The alarm sound will sound when pressure is greater than or equal to 75%. Where is pressure greater than or equal to 75%? Here it is. Here the P value is 1, okay. Just write the P, okay, P, and is there, then you have to use the AND operator. And the temperature is greater than or equal to 50. For the temperature greater than or equal to 50, the T value is 0, okay. When 0 is there, we have to not it, okay, not T, okay. And after that or is there, just write the OR operator. After that, the temperature is less than 50 degrees, that means T value is 1, okay. Just write the T. And is there, write the AND operator. After that, pH is greater than 7, A value is 0, then you have to not it, not A. Then what will be the final expression? This will be the final expression, okay. For whichever the input is 0, make that as a not, okay. And literally you have to follow the statements. If AND is there, you have to write the AND. If OR is there, you have to write the OR operator. Use the OR operator. Then you can write the expression out of statements. Yeah, this is another question. You can see that we are having some conditions and the input values, okay. Based on that, we have to write the expression. A security uses sensors to sound an alarm if an intruder is detected. The alarm sounding is represented by A is equal to 1. That means the final output is 1, okay. The final output variable name is A. Alarm sounds if it is dark. If it is dark, that means if it is dark, the value of L is 0. When it is 0, you have to not it, okay. Then that will be not L, okay. After that, AND operator is there, you have to write the AND. After that, if either motion or sound, what do you mean by either or, okay. Which operator do we need to use? You have to use the OR operator, okay. After AND, motion, okay, motion or detected, motion detected. When motion detected, M value is 1, then you have to write the M as M, or you have to write the OR operator. And sound is detected. When sound is detected, S value is 1, then it is obviously S is equal to S is S itself. Then what is the expression right now? It is if dark, that means not L and M or S, okay. Then that will be the final expression, okay. And after that, moving to the next question, here you can see this is the chart of chart of conditions, and we are having the actual statements. That is like the warning system will produce an output 1 that will sound the alarm W. The final expression output is W when either of the conditions is applied. That means we are having 2 statements, we have to combine them with the OR, okay. Height is less than 500. When height is less than 500, the H value is 1, then H, you have to just write H. AND operator is there, write the AND. Aeroplane is descending. When the aeroplane is descending, A value is 0, then you have to not it. Then what is the expression for this statement? H and not A. H and not A. After that or. Okay, you have to write the or. Then aeroplane is descending. Aeroplane is descending means it is not A. 0 is there, that means you have to not it, that is not A. And write the and operator. See, speed is greater than 400 knots. Okay, so when speed is greater than 400 knots, then the S value is 0. You have to not it. Then what will be the final expression? H and not A, or not A and not S. This will be the final expression. This is how you can write expressions for the statements. I hope you found this video informative. Yeah, thank you for watching.